If you want to sound great in a voice call, step up your recording and streaming game, the two most important things you can do is improving light and audio. Now, of course, there is very expensive equipment that you can use, like this 400 euro SM7B, which I have connected to a 200 euro cloud lifter and a 400 euro GOXLR, but this is too expensive for most people. So for everyone just getting started in streaming or recording, I would suggest you start with something much cheaper. Which brings us to this 30 euro USB mic that the folks at RaLeno sent me to test. 30 euro for a whole USB mic. Let me show you what's inside. Unboxing it is straightforward. Move the thing, lift the lid, and tada! There's a manual that you won't need because this thing works immediately. Just connect the cable to the mic and the USB side to the PC or laptop. In the box there's a tripod and the mic itself, which has a nice weight to it, so that is nice. There's a volume knob on the front that you can use to adjust the gain on the mic or how loud it will sound, and this is important depending on where you place your mic. If you keep it far away from your face, that you will need to boost the audio, but if you keep it close to you, then you don't need to raise the volume as much. Now, because when you amplify a signal, you also raise the noise floor with it. To get the best sound, I suggest you keep it closer to you and monitor the audio level, bringing the volume down so that the loud parts don't go into the red. You can also place it on the table and adjust the volume and you don't lose audio. In terms of audio quality, I'm going to compare this 30 euro Underdog with a mic that is 33 times more expensive, this SM7B, and a 2.5 times more expensive USB mic, the Samson Meteor. I will keep switching between these mics one after the other so you can hear the differences. And of course the SM7B has a more well-rounded profile, but keep in mind that it costs 33 times more than the Raleno M30, and the Samson Meteor costs 2.5 times more. So this is not a fair comparison, but the point is that if you are starting out, you shouldn't overspend until you can validate that your activity will pay for your equipment, which brings us to the conclusion. If you are a beginner YouTuber, streamer, or you simply want to sound good in a work voice call, because let's be fair, laptop mics, webcam mics, and headset mics suck, this mic will make you sound so much better at a very low budget, just 30 euros. So no, you will not get the best quality audio, but you will get decent value for your money. And ultimately everything is your decision, because audio is a personal preference and it all depends if you like how it sounds. So if you choose to check it out, there's a link in the description where you can order it from Amazon. If you watched till the end, I'm guessing you enjoyed this video, so help me out by hitting the like button. Bye bye.